Think about things that you already own and you already care about and include those in your design. I have more books than I know what to do with in my life, and overflow books have come to this short-term rental and they live here permanently. The way I like to arrange books is much more free-flowing, to where if you were to walk into a room and there's, say, a stack of books artfully arranged, feels much more accessible and you're much more likely to actually walk up to those books and pick them up, look through them, and interact with them in the way that a book is meant to be used. I put stacks in the floor, I put them on coffee tables, I use them on top of ottomans to create layers, and they move around all of the time. Another really cool way to incorporate collections is the vintage matchbooks that I created artwork out of. I arranged them on basic white canvas from a big box craft store. I think I paid $20 a canvas. And then they went from being something basic that probably would have been shoved in a drawer to becoming beautiful artwork. And people comment on them all the time because they feel personal, they feel individual, and those kinds of things do not have to be expensive, but they help tell a story. We also live in the age of social media, good or bad. People want to take photos in front of cool stuff. And if you have a mural painted on your wall, all of everyone's Instagram is gonna blow up with that mural. And that's a good thing in a short-term rental because it helps people have an identity that they associate with your home. I wanted there to be enough of a distinct personality in each room that individuals who walked in to stay in this home felt like they had a choice between really interesting and different options. We also incorporated totally different bed sizes in each room, and that was intentional. One bedroom has a pair of twin beds in case there are kids staying here or single people who aren't necessarily comfortable sharing a bed. Another bedroom has a queen bed and then a king-size bed as well for people who are more comfortable sleeping in that way. So we tried to cover all of our bases as far as functionality goes. I am a big fan of very affordable bedding, especially when it comes to young people and children. Things happen where that bedding needs to be replaced, and it should be at an attainable price point to where if something gets damaged or stained, or even if you're just tired of it and you want to have a nice, easy refresh in your bedroom, you can make that swap without it feeling like you got punched in the gut because you had spent so much on that bedding.